He looks gorgeous. Come on, girl. It'll be time to get up and feed him in another half an hour.